Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Mandramratam. In the Navatirupati series, we would be talking about Arvar Tirunagari. Here, Vishnu has done a penance in this temple, and the temple is considered to be the first temple or the Adi temple. So the Vishnu name over here is called as Adinathar, Adinathan rather. Lord Vishnu is said to have been like a guru, and he had preached the mantra to Brahma. Hence, this place is also called as Kurugur. Another legend goes that Lord Rama requested Lakshmana, rather ordered Lakshmana not to let anybody to disturb him during his penance. But Lakshmana couldn't stop sage Durvasa and he stood there like a tree. Rama got angry and cursed him to be born as a tamarind tree in his next birth. And Lord Rama, he came as Namarvar. He did a penance under this tamarind tree. Lakshmana was Adiseshan in one birth, and this place is also called as Sesha. The Murti over here is considered as a Swayambhu Murti which faces the east, and it's actually in a standing posture. The feet of the Murti is said to have buried under the earth. Goddess Lakshmi and Bhudevi are worshipped here as Adinayaki and Thirukkurukoranayaki. The shrine is located in the banks of Tamaraparani river. Those who are having actually problems due to bad positioning of Brihaspati or Guru in their life will get a relief by offering prayers over here. There are a couple of more stories as well. Low caste man by the name Dhanthan. He wanted to offer prayers in the shrine, but he was driven away by the priest. A disappointed Dhanthan went to the banks of Tamarabarani, made a murti of Vishnu, and worshipped it. Soon, all the priests in the temple lost their eyesight. But the priests were actually told by a voice from the sky to seek forgiveness from Dantan to get back their eyesight. The priests did as they were really told by the voice. The Murti Dantan had actually sculpted can even be seen today on the first step of Ardhamandapam in the temple. The place where Dantan worshipped Vishnu as Adinathan is known as Appan Kovil. This temple is further known as a Varaha Kshetra, as it is believed that Vishnu gave darshan to his devotees here in the form of Varaha with Bhudevi in his lap. One important story is that of the Nammalvar. It is said that in Pramati year, Vaikasi 12th day in Valarpirai Paurnami, Nammalvar was born to Velalar and Udayanangai. When he was born, he did not cry nor open his eyes, and he did not drink even the mother's milk. This was because when the Sadhavayu, the air which went inside the body of Udayanangai, he made that not to enter and push him out. Because of this, Nammalvar is popularly known as Sadagopar. He doesn't open his eyes because he doesn't want to see anyone except Sriman Narayanan, and the same way he doesn't want to speak about anyone except about Yam Peruman. So he doesn't cry nor he drink even milk. His parents were worried about him that he might be a jadam or retarded, so they brought him to Adinanda Perumal temple and named him Maran. Maran sat on the tamarind tree and he stayed in the dhyana pose for a very long time, for 16 years rather. At that time, Madhurakarvi Alvar started his Bhakti Yatra. He was traveling towards Ayodhya, but a flashy light from the sky directed him to go to this particular place or temple. On entering the temple, Madhurakavi Alvar was surprised to see Nammalvar, a child of 16, being in a yoga nilai. He went to Nammalvar and made some noises to awaken him from the yoga stage. Then Madhurakavi Alvar questioned Nammalvar that how the Atma lived, how the life rather, and what is he really doing to, what is he really eating to live? For this, Nammalvar said, Attai tendru ange kedakkum. What this really means is the body is made of Panchabhudam, the five universal parts. Despite it is found in the earth, it lives only by thinking and experience on Paramatmana, which is the Sriman Narayanan, and this is how our lives. On hearing this, Madhurakavi Alvar was so happy that he found a wonderful teacher in Nammalvar, and at the same time, the Lord M. Perumal gave gave the darshan with a Shangu Chakradari rather, along with Lakshmi Samedar to both Nammalvar and Madrakavi Alvar. The unique thing is the daily Thirumanjanam is done beneath the tamarind tree. The Utsava Murti Nammalvar is giving a seva in a golden sannidhi, a small one, in Shobana Mandapam. Before starting Ramayana, Kambarro Chadagopar Andhadi by keeping his head towards Nammalvar. This temple is one of the 108 Divya Deshams. This temple is said to have been built during the Pandya period. The Vimana is called as Govinda Vimana. The sacred water body in this temple is called as Brahma Tirtham. In fact, this place is mentioned in the Brahmanda Purana and it is believed to be the birthplace of Nammalvar. Please do visit this temple. There is a detailed link or a map which is given in the description. The most important festival which are observed in this temple is during the Vaikasi month, which is during May, June. Thank you. Please do like, comment, share to Mandramritam.